So, Guten Morgen, liebe Freunde. Today we are going to deal with some basic prepositions of the German language. And these prepositions deal with a direction. Now look at the first sentence, first preposition. It is Nach. As you know, Nach is a preposition which is always with dative. An example will be, Wir fahren nach Chennai. We are going to or we are traveling to Chennai. Second sentence, Wir fahren nach Deutschland. We are going to Germany. Or reist nach Amerika. He is going to America. So if you look at these three sentences, what is the function of nach here? It shows a direction. We are going to Chennai. We are going to Germany. We are going to America. So Nach in these three sentences shows a particular direction. But one thing you have to look, in all these three sentences, Chennai, Deutschland and America, these are either the names of some cities or the names of some countries without any article. That means zero article. So we are fahren nach Chennai, no article, zero article. We are fahren nach Deutschland, no article. Reist nach Amerika, no article. So in the first case, nach is used to show a direction towards a city or a country, and in front of this city or country there is zero article. Now, look at the other sentences. Geht nach oben. I am standing here and I am going up. Ich gehe nach unten. I am staying here, now I am going down. So what do you note in these two sentences? We are not talking about the names of cities or countries. It's just a place. Oben, up, it's a place. Unten, down, it's a place. So in such cases, we use nach to show the direction to a particular Ort. Ort means place. So, first case, a direction towards cities and countries. Second case, a direction towards just places. And then there is a Ausnahme. Ausnahme is an exception. We are going nach Hause. We are going home. Of course, house is also an Ort, but this is considered to be an exception. And nach Hause, after house there is a E. Why that E is there? There is no explanation. That is like that in German. So you should always learn the sentence as wir gehen nach Hause. Now we are coming to another part. In the first thing, we were talking about countries, cities and places. So these are known as Locale Bedeutung. So Nach is also used in a Temporale Bedeutung. Temporal means in connection with time. The earlier sentences are all in connection with a place. Now, nach can also be used related to time. So, such sentences are known as Sätze im temporale Bedeutung. Look at the sentences. Was machst du nach dem Essen? What do you do after the meals, or what do you do after the food? So the food, taking food has got a particular time. So we say that this particular sentence is in a temporale Bedeutung. Or nach der Vorlesung gehe ich spazieren. Vorlesung is a lecture in a university. It is also connected with time. So after the lecture, I go for a walk. Nach 10 Uhr lerne ich nicht mehr. After 10 o'clock, I don't learn anything more. So all these three sentences, nach is used in a temporale Bedeutung, that means connected to time. So first we did nach connected with places, that is a locale Bedeutung. Now these three sentences are connected with time, that is temporale Bedeutung. Now, nach can also be used without any connection to place or time. Then we say that is weder lokal noch temporal. Look at the sentence. Der Tourist fragt nach einem Hotel. The tourist is inquiring about a hotel. Nach etwas fragen. To inquire about something. Or, in der Klasse sitzen die Kinder nach dem Alphabet. It's a big class, many pupils are sitting, but the way they sit is according to the alphabet, their names. So students with the alphabet A, they are sitting in the front row, and. So the sentence is, in der Klasse sitzen die Kinder nach dem Alphabet. In the class, the children are sitting in an alphabetical order. So this is neither local nor temporal. It's neither in a local sense or in a sense connected with time.